work on some pork. And then the last one is the beef. Pork chops. Let me put on some gloves. Pork chop is washed. We're gonna rock it. Not gonna lie. Who's not tired, right? Oh, yeah. Mamma mia. Oh, I forgot I had a glove in here. There's still a turbo jet. Oh, baby. You wanna get a picture? Take a picture. Nasty. Honey. Pick it, baby. Want it. Alright. I had to get the glove action for the video. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. How else you get a condom out? Safe and touch. Ah. Another. Oh yeah. Just what the doctor ordered. Alright, showtime. Let's do this. All night long. Alright, I want to make sure the camera is focused right. The pork lion chops. I'm not sure what all that means yet. Still learning the kitchen. But I do know they look very nice and healthy. Got chops. Boop. Let me move the camera a little bit. Alright. Giving them a nice little rinse. Little shake. Oh wait. Yeah, I thought you didn't have to rinse me, but I'm glad I'm rinsing it. You gotta rinse it and wash it. Cause the butcher is shaving a bone. Gotta be careful. Santa Claus, baby. Alright. With that said, what is my beautiful zipam? Rinsing it a little bit. The choppity too. Only problem is I need that oil to stick, and now it's got water on it. Okay, hold on. Hold your hose. Fuck it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna dip it in the oil that's got in the pan. I got it on a plate, and then I'm gonna season it. Put it right back on here. Fuck, I'm doing it wrong. The water's running off and I don't want the oil to dilute. I want it nice and oily. Okay, so, game plan. Gonna rinse this right here. Put it right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. I guess water could work. You don't even have to throw it on. I just want it perfect. Don't judge me. Please do not judge me. Alright. Bada bing. Bada boom. This is some good juice. I should be throwing this into a compost tea bin. But again, we're my assistant. And beyond, you know, everything going on. So that's like a double, quadruple times 1,000 assistants. Now, okay. We got ourselves some porkity choppity pops. But look, it might have fun right now. Let me reverse this. Okay, there we go. Boom. Topping this little pan off with some oil. And then I'm gonna dip it into that seasoning and bag it. Keeping it simple. Uh-oh. Nothing too fancy with this one. It's the seasoning that's left over from all the 7 seasonings I did with Grill Mates, doing separate drumstick tastings. So now I'm just hitting them all with the same stuff, clearing it as much as I can. And then for the steaks is a tough one. I'm thinking seasoned salt. Yeah, really like that smell and everything. No, I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it, so don't judge me, all right? Let me throw this little thingy. Did I just throw a little spit out? All right, there we go. Is that better? Bada bing, bada boom. Oh. Woo. All right. We in the building, yo. I like. All right. So, with this said, I'm not even gonna need this now. Well balanced. I'm going to need a big one. A big baggedy bag. Very juicy one. You see that? Alright. You guys wanna watch it up close? Let me reverse this. Let's do it. Let's do it all night long. This is my seasoning. My clean hand with no gloves. Let's put the oil seasoning. Oil bag. Oil bag seasoning. I don't want to go back. So oil, seasoning, bag. Ah. Alright, we in business, baby. Let's do this. Y'all ready? Let me line up the core mix real quick for my beautiful sponsorship. I'm loving this. You kidding me? This is beautiful. Very nice. I want this all in Russia. Alrighty, let's do this. Let's do this. Before I do it, let me get up close for you. The seasoning. You like that one-handed little action? Push the button. Bam. Oh, let me show off the oil. Shout out to Harris. Boom, boom. Ooh. Line them up. Who got that meat seasoned? Yeah? You like that? Ooh. Opa. Opa. And that's what we're looking for. Nice. Pork choppy. Eat it. Uh-oh, the bag. I need the bag. Oh boy. Oh my god, that is way too much. Okay, I just need to do a little brush. They're gonna all marinate together in there. Let me put this back on before I drop it. Alright, let's see here. The baggity bog. So I dipped it with oil. Got this little cutie nicely seasoned. I think I got a little too much seasoned. I don't know if that's possible, but it might be possible. Alright, I'm gonna do a quickie this time. I technically should have now different styles. What if I don't even like them all like that? You're thinking what I'm thinking now, right? Switch up the pork chops too. So I'm gonna, that whole seasoning was whatever I did the last like 3 different seasonings. So this is gonna be the first. Oh, I don't want to touch with my hands. Hold on. Okay, let's see here. Now this is the first 3 seasonings. Do I put it in a different bag now? Yeah, I'm going to. I'm gonna put in a smaller bag. I'm gonna keep all this separate. I was gonna bag them all in here, but now I'm gonna keep them separate. I messed up the big bag. It's okay. I'm sure government will forgive me. CRV it, please. Put it on my write-off. Opa. Alright. Got this little baggie rocking and rolling. Hopefully we can squeeze that pork chop right between there. Look at that. Ugh. Not. I like it. Food is sexy. Food porn. Here we come. For the dip. Opa. Nice and slow. It is it. Oi. Little hangtown. Boo. Money. Honey. Ay. I like. Alright, so there is the main, all the blends that I had with the chickens. Now let's do the applewood rub. I like that. Let's shake it and stir it and give it more loving. Fresh seasoning. The apple rub. Opa. I'm gonna rub it. Give it a rub down. I'll rub it. Wow, when it gets wet, it changes color and stuff. It's kind of like, oh, it's a little bloody there. All right, let's see here. I like it a little red. This thing. Papa. All right, next. Oh, a couple baggies. I'm thinking one of each. I don't wanna overdo it. Why not have different seasonings? You know? Variety. You girls are naughty. I don't wanna have just one big type of booty. I want all different colors, shapes, and sizes. Oh, I folded it that time. Even different moves. Got you. What's up now? Now what? Alright, we got 2 in the bag. 3. One's just extra biggie. Now, I've got how many more choppity chops in the building? We're gonna do Nashville hot chicken. It's not chicken, but I'm gonna hit it with that Nashville hot chicken, baby. Alright, let's do this. Oh, let me move around a little bit. Oh, got caught between my pants. Shorts. Alright, Roseville. Oh no, Nashville. Excuse me, Roseville. Getting confused out here. It's getting nice and red. Come on, baby. Yeehaw. Give it a little pop. Pop tap. Tappity pap. Yeehaw. Hey, why are there flies in the building? I need my assistance. Hurry, kill them. Kill them, my hitters. Kill the flies. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, perfect. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. A little Nashville chicken. Hot chicken. I like it already. Alright, nice little fold. Gave it a roll. Boop, dropped it like it's hot. Ooh-wee. Oh, there's 2 more in there. Heck yeah. Alright, next one. This is garlic butter. Let's do it. All night long. You feel me? Oh yeah. Get a nice little jog in it. Not a little love action. A little tappity tap. Oh, look at it go. Ooh, choppity chop. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, all right. Where's my baggity bags? All right. All right, here we go. Bam. In the money. Last one, not least. Got a couple steakies. We're gonna rock the chipotle roasted garlic. Nope, roasted garlic herb. Already got enough of that smoky chipotle Nashville hotness in it. All right, nice, good coat. Come on, baby, get it, get it, get it. Ooh, I already like the scent. Smells good. Juicy, tasty, sweet, and perky. I like. Mamma mia. Tap, tap, tap. Booty pop. Poop, poop. I think that is the piggy's booty. The piggy's butt. Aqui. It's the chop. Alright. The perfecto. Opa. Perfect. That is it. That is the show for you today. To love and not betray the meat seasoning for Grill Mates. Good pork. Alright, y'all. Stay blessed, stay loved. And we are not gonna cook this one. She's a good piggy, Grill Mates. We don't touch her. She's gently relaxing. Her stomach is breathing. She had a little heat stroke. We give her the mist. I'm gonna wash these hands later, but we give her the mist. We mist her a little. Opa. She likes the wetness. She likes to keep cool. Good girl. Good girl. You sexy muffin. I gotta wash this now. Rinse. Bottom line, thank you for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Urban Farmer Boy. The mob is not real. Jesus loves you. Be nice. Be happy. Forgive. Forget.